All right, and we have a 2019 R1250RT in option 719 Sparkling Storm Metallic. This is a two-owner bike as far as we know. 719, so it's got the fancy paint. This is called Sparkling Storm, as well as the hand-laid pinstriping. 37,438 on it for miles. This one comes to us with the CarPlay unit, some aftermarket crash bars. Not sure on the brand, but they look healthy. Factory driving lights, and what we lovingly refer to as the old style top case. Yeah, give us a buzz. Max BMW 603-964-2877. I'm extension 1013. Ask for Cody. Thanks, bye.